Are you struggling to visualize complex 3D data directly within your Microsoft Word documents? Ever wish you could make your data presentation pop, moving beyond just basic bar or pie charts? Well, get ready, because in this tutorial, you're going to discover how to effortlessly insert a powerful surface chart, transforming your data from basic to absolutely brilliant in just a few minutes. Alright, so this quick guide will walk you through the precise clicks needed, from finding the right menu, to customizing your chart's data, to tell exactly the story you want. It might seem a little advanced, but trust me, it's totally achievable. Let's dive in and unlock this powerful feature together. First things first, you'll want to be in your Word document. Once you're there, look up at the ribbon at the top of your screen. To add anything new to your document, like a table, a picture, or in our case, a chart, you'll always head to the Insert tab. Go ahead and click on Insert. It's usually right next to Home. This is where all the magic starts for bringing new elements into your document. Now that you're on the Insert tab, you'll see a whole bunch of options pop up. We're looking for the Illustrations group, and within that you'll find the Chart button. This is your gateway to all the different types of visual data representations Word has to offer. Clicking Chart will open up a new window where you can choose your specific chart type. So find that chart icon and give it a click. Once that Insert Chart dialog box appears, you'll see a list of different chart categories on the left side. Scroll down or look through them until you spot Surface. This is the key. A surface chart is incredibly powerful for visualizing data that has 3 variables. Think temperature across an area, or how sales change over time and by region. It's a fantastic way to show relationships in complex datasets that simpler charts just can't handle effectively. Choosing Surface here really sets you up to present some truly advanced insights. Go ahead and click on Surface from that list. After you've clicked on Surface, you'll notice a few different variations of surface charts appear in the main part of the dialog box. Typically the first one, the standard 3D surface chart, is the default and a great starting point. Unless you have a specific reason for one of the other subtypes, that default option is usually perfect. With Surface selected, simply click the OK button at the bottom right of the dialog box. Word will then insert a sample surface chart directly into your document, along with a small Excel-like window for your data. And here's the really important part where you make the chart your own. Once you click OK, you'll see 2 things: the sample surface chart in your Word document and a little spreadsheet window, often called Chart in Microsoft Word or similar. This spreadsheet is where you'll input your actual data. You'll see some placeholder values in there. Things like Series 1, Series 2, Category 1, and some numbers. Think of your rows and columns in this small spreadsheet as corresponding to the axes and the height of your surface. The first row usually represents your x-axis categories, and the first column represents your y-axis categories. The numbers in the cells are your z-axis values, what the surface itself will represent. So let's say you're tracking temperature readings across different locations and times. You might put your locations in the first column, times in the first row, and the actual temperature values in the grid. You can type directly into these cells, just like you would in Excel. As you update the numbers, you'll see your surface chart in Word immediately begin to change and adapt. Now, if you have more data than the default grid provides, just type into the cells outside the initial boundary, and the blue selection box around your data will automatically expand to include it. If you have less data, you can drag the corner of that blue box inward to shrink the data range. This is where you really take control and make this advanced chart reflect your specific information. This practical knowledge of directly manipulating the underlying data is key to leveraging these powerful visualizations. Once you're done entering or adjusting your values, you can simply close that small spreadsheet window. Your surface chart in Word will be fully updated with your custom data, ready to impress. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effortlessly insert and customize a powerful surface chart right inside Microsoft Word. You're now equipped to visualize complex, multivariable data in a way that's clear, professional, and incredibly impactful. Give it a try with your own data and see the difference it makes.